Create your own cup. And Kuya Livan and Lian is enjoying. What do you want, Lid? Oh, you want fresh strawberry? I'll do it. I'll do it.
Mommy, put it right here.
Ludwig, open please. Open.
Mommy, put it here.
Lian. Okay, strawberry for Lian. Wow. Amazing. Ludwig, cover please. I'll do it, Lian. I'll do it. How about the strawberry? Strawberry. Lian, wait. Wow, strawberry. Okay, we're done, Lian. And Kuya, you put Lian. Kuya, you put some toppings. You want mango? Oh, okay. We have a fruit cocktail. And Ludwig, do you want fruit cocktail? And for Ludwig, blueberry.
Blueberry?
Here.
Oh my god, you almost bit me.
Are you sure you will finish it? Ludwig, oh, show me Ludwig. Yes, sorry. Kuya, here, there's some red bean.
Is there any?
And for Kuya, Lian here.
Oh, this just fell off.
Oh, okay. Oh, Ludwig, wait. How about the crust? There's marshmallow, Lian. There's marshmallow there.
Oh.
We have a mango syrup. Yes, caramel. Oh, for Ludwig. How about for Kuya? And for Lian, do you want marshmallow? A little bit. And there is a crushed graham, sprinkles. You want sprinkles? I'll do it. Here, babe. Here. You're done? Okay, fresh cookie. A crushed cookie for Lian's ice cream.
Thank you.
Okay.
And then
Amazing. Last is banana. Oh, mango. Oh, you're good. Perfect.
For 105.
So we have to check the weight.
Okay.
90, 90, 90, 105.
How is it, Kuya? Wow, Lian. Picture, Lian. 1, 2, 3. Lian.
Buwas na yung wallet.
I think Ludo should get this one.
What do you want, baby?
You already guessed my name.
Oh, I found it. Mommy, look.
Take video. Take video.
You know. So cute.
Everybody say. Hey. Ian.
Si Ninang, sasayaw.